Action verbs with pictures and sentences. Squeeze. He squeezed a ketchup bottle. He is squeezing a sponge ball with his hand. Squash. He squashed a tomato with his boot. I'll squash you like a bug. Press. Don't press the red button. The little boy is pressing a button. Crush. She crushes the olives with a heavy wooden press. Don't crush the box, it has flowers in it. Crumple. She crumpled the piece of paper into a ball and tossed it into the garbage can. He crumpled the letter up into a ball and threw it on the fire. Ring. He turned away to wring out the wet shirt. I'll wring your neck if you don't behave. Spill. He always spilled the tea. Don't spill tea on the floor. Splash. The baby splashed the water. She splashed cold water on her face. Spitting. We must refrain from spitting in public places. The boy was spitting drink on the table. Poke. She poked her finger on his face. He is poking the dog face. Scratch. The cat scratched at the door, eager to go outside and play. The dog is scratching its owner's back. Wipe. She wiped the floor with a sponge. She wiped her eyes with a tissue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.